What is happening today, guys? Finally picked up this 20DET Cefiro from the wiring shop. I'm fucking stoked. It's good to have it back. It's been gone for about a month. Yes, I just picked it up. About to head to my mate Mace's place. It's gonna be the first time that he's seen this car and been in it, so film a bit of his reaction. Gonna get a few driving clips from it as well, because the last time that I filmed this car, the GoPro that I was filming with had a busted mic. And then probably going to be doing a strut brace, and I'll talk a little bit about what has been done to the car since it's been away, and what's left to do for cert. So yeah, stay tuned.
The mighty Waka.
The wiring shop, and what happens?
Oh mate, she's a little bit hurt.
So one of the issues that I've told you guys about before is this plug here. One of the wires, I can't really take it off now because the igniter is bolted down, but one of the wires isn't connected properly, so when it heats up, it misfires a bit, so all you got to do is just sort of jiggle it around and it sort of comes back on. But yeah, something we've got to fix before cert, because it's a bit of a fucking pain in the ass. Time in the 20DET, how'd it go?
Better than the 25DET. Can't wait to get behind it.
Fuck yeah.
After a bit of a run-in, she's starting to sound like an EJ20 though, with that miss.
Yeah, that definitely needs to be sorted out.
Nah, definitely mate. She'll be mint once she's going good.
Yeah, nah, don't worry, you'll fucking definitely have a boost at this once it's fucking running properly. Get behind the wheel of the 25DET once that's all built up too.
Fuck yeah, she's going mint.
You just need to fucking put a DET in that thing right there.
Yeah, she's looking a bit sad, eh?
At home, and I gotta tell you, that fucking misfire is starting to really piss me off, eh? It's just annoying. But this car is now pretty much done. Like, it's just a few small teething issues like that misfire, putting all the center console and shit back in, and it's pretty much ready. So what has been done to this is, before, this fan was on like a plug, so you had to plug it in and it would be on all the time, and then you have to unplug it when you turn the car off. It was a real pain in the ass. But now we've got this temp sensor that is going to a thermo switch, which turns the fan on and off when it reaches a certain temperature. So it allows the motor to actually operate at operating temperature. The other thing that's happened is the key used to get stuck in there when you turned it off, and you usually have to wait for the turbo timer to turn off before you'd be able to get the key out. It was a real pain in the ass. Alarm's also wired up properly now, but again, before it wasn't working properly, but now it is. So all we've really got to do is put all this shit back in and make the thing look nice and pretty. Here's the strut brace. It's not the cleanest looking thing, but should do the trick. Probably tie it up a bit later on, but for now, just chuck the bitch in. super easy. All you got to do is take these bolts off the top here, slide it on, put the bolts back on. Obviously make sure you got your cable bracket there. Same thing on the other side, and it was already set to the right tension because it came off the Cefiro. So nice and stiff. So yeah, that's that. It gets me every time looking at these two at the same time. Unfortunately, because there's a bunch of woodwork shit in the way, I can't get the 20DET in the garage. But yeah, this will probably be going back to my uncle's soon until we finish it, and then it'll come back here. Have to make some space for it, or chuck this piece of shit outside. So I just took the 20DET Cefiro drive, and I went to put my foot down in first, and it just hit the limiter and just fucking kept revving. So as you can see, the throttle is getting stuck on the strut brace. So the 20DET intake must sit differently to the 25DET intake. You can clearly see the difference between them, but I still figured that it would be in the same position, but obviously not. Obviously this is different on that as well, but yeah. So that's definitely something I'm gonna have to sort, because otherwise I can't go foot flat in this, and that ain't fun. I'm super excited about the future of this channel and the projects. This 20DET is pretty much finished. Once that's done, that's gonna be it for a while, once it's legal. I've got some plans for it in the future, but once that's done, this is gonna take priority, and this is gonna be fucking awesome once it's done. Full cage, 400 horse 25DET, and yeah, aiming to do as many track days and events as I can next summer in this thing. Obviously, as I said in the last video, gonna record the whole thing and bring it to you guys, and yeah, there's definitely gonna be some cool videos of track days and things with this, and all the other car check videos that I've got coming are gonna be awesome. So yeah, cheers for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, catch you next time.